Oh fuck, that was the RCD. Hey guys, welcome back. Here we are. As you can see, I've got the back off this condenser dryer. It's from Blomberg. What was happening was that on a cold cycle the machine would run, but the moment we wanted to dry close on a warm cycle, it would straight away trip the RCD, which is the residual current device. The residual current device will go off for a few reasons, but one of the reasons is when there's leakage of voltage to the earth. So I looked in the drum and found there was moisture in the drum. So I whipped the back off the machine and noticed that there was a lot of water up on the cabling, on the thermostat, and also on the overheat switch. I also noticed that there was water on the blower and on the inside of the cover. So what I basically did was took a hairdryer to it and dried it all off. Alright guys, there we are, we're up and running, as you can hear. Start to get slowly warm in a minute. Okay, the diagnosis I think was moisture on all the contacts. The cause of that was wet washing had been left in here. Now, I stripped all this off quickly to make sure everything was dry and just to make sure nothing was shorted out inside. But if that was a problem, maybe would have got away with just letting it doing a cold circulation without any heat, and that might have cleared up the problem as well. If you do decide to take the back off these, just beware. You have metal screws that are metal to metal, and you have metal to plastic screws. They look a bit different, they're a bit longer. So all around here is metal to plastic screws, and all up around the top is metal to metal screws. So that's it. Hopefully this helps you. You might have this problem. You might be looking in the internet for exactly this problem now. And that was it. Follow the safety rules. Make sure your cable's out before you start messing about with this. Yeah. Make sure it's switched off. Otherwise, hey, have a good day. I hope this helps you. Stay safe and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.